So very good morning once again. Welcome back on an online class on the YouTube channel of Sandboy School Sheoganj. So now, dear student, as you know that we already discussed or we finished in the last class the chapter 16. So now this today's class is about the new chapter, that the chapter number 17 of your textbook, the stars and solar system. So this chapter is about the stars, how the stars is formed, and it is also about the solar system, means how the solar system is formed, what are the different planets, what are the basic characteristics, what are the basic property of a different planets, what are the other things other than the planets. So overall we can say that in this chapter we are going to discuss about the different 8 planets, about the solar system, about the sun, about the different types of natural satellites, about the moon. Also we discuss about the comets, asteroids and the different celestials or heavenly bodies. So this universe, as you know that this universe means this is the unlimited space. This vast space is known as what? A universe. So this universe consists of many the celestials or heavenly bodies. There many the galaxies there, stars, sun, this all the planets, natural satellite is there, comets is there, asteroids is there. So these all things are included in this universe. So we can say that this universe is a what? Universe is a vast space or unlimited space which we cannot measure accurately. That is called what? Universe. Means many the galaxies are involved in this universe. So now we start. We begin our chapter without any delay. So now everybody, you take your textbook and open the page number 205. The chapter number 17, the solar system, stars and solar system. So now first we are going to discuss about the universe. Then after the distance in the universe, because now we know that this universe is a vast space or vast area is there. So how we can measure this distance? So simply this distance is not or cannot be measured in a kilometer. So for that we use the special unit for measuring this space or distance in universe, that is called by the light year. So we also discuss about the light years, how much light years in 1 light years, how much kilometer is there, what do you mean by this light year. So we all things we discuss in today's class. So I hope this today's class going to be a very interesting because we explore the knowledge about this universe and about this planets and sun or a star. So simply generally during the night times when we see the sky, this sky looks like the different from the day sky. Means if we compare in a general way, if we compare the sky of daytime or night time, we find many differences in that. So whenever we see towards the sky or into the space or in the sky during the night times, we can observe the many stars is there, the twinkling star is there. But in the daytime we can see this sunlight, this sun. So this sun is also a type of a star. It's also medium size star. So now you see, first we discuss about the universe. Means what the universe is, how it is originated. What? So generally this universe is originated by a very famous theory, that is called the Big Bang theory. Big Bang theory means you can say the large explosion is there. एक बड़ा सा विस्फोट, बड़ा सा धमाका हुआ, उसके कारण ये सब planets और split करके different 7 planets बढ़ गए. Means there huge mass ball is there. So by striking by the explosion. The huge explosion is there, and then it split into or break down into the different planets and asteroids and this meteors. So now you see, first we are going to start or discuss more in detail about the universe. So now you see, everybody see in your textbook very carefully this page number 205. The universe is a vast unlimited space. There will be no limit for this space in a universe. Means आप देख रहे पूरा ये जो यूनिवर्स है कोई लिमिट नहीं है, अनलिमिटेड है. वी कांट एबल टू मेजर एग्जैक्टली द डिस्टेंस ऑफ दिस यूनिवर्स. Okay, so this space contains all the heavenly bodies and celestial bodies. So in this system, this space, this whole universe is consists of what? The heavenly bodies, celestial bodies, different type of galaxies, stars, comets, asteroids, natural satellites, sun. This all things. So such as the stars, the planets, the meteors, the comets and the constellations, the galaxies, this all are all in this water. ये सभी जो है वो किसमें समाये हुए? This all things are in a universe. Okay. A heavenly body is a celestial body, or the astronomical body is a natural object, and these all things are what? The natural things, natural object. It's not made by the human or not artificial things. These all things are natural things. These all things are visible in the sky, such as the stars, planets, natural satellites, asteroids, comets, moon and the sun. Our planet means this earth. This earth is known as what? A unique planet. Why it is called unique planets? Because in the solar system only the earth is a planet where the life is exist or possible. Means only the life supporting situation, life supporting conditions are only available or exist on the earth's surface or on the earth. That's why this earth is known as a unique planet. So this our planet means our earth is also a small part of this universe. The space in universe is unlimited and cannot be measured accurately. According to the recent science and theory, the origin of this universe is by this Big Bang theory. This theory is famous or popular or acceptable for the origin of universe. मीन्स सबसे ज़्यादा जो acceptable theory जो है कि यूनिवर्स की उत्पत्ति किस प्रकार से हुई, इस ब्रह्मांड की उत्पत्ति किस प्रकार से हुई. सो ब्रह्मांड की या यूनिवर्स की उत्पत्ति या इसके ओरिजिन की सबसे जो आप कह सकते हैं ना एक्यूरेट और एक्सेप्टेबल जो थ्योरी है, सबसे जो माननीय जो है वो जो theory is known as what? A Big Bang theory. So this about the origin of the universe called the Big Bang theory. The universe is ever expanding. Means according to this theory, this universe nowadays also is expanding. Means अभी भी क्या हो रहा है? Expand हो रहा है, फैल रहा है. The branch of science that deals with the study about this universe and the celestial object is called what? Astronomy. And astronomy, this astronomy means what? This is the branch of science. Astronomy means the branch of science which deals or study about the universe and the celestial object. This branch of science. Okay, so astronomy means is a branch of science. ये एक साइंस की एक विज्ञान की जो एक शाखा है. इट्स branch of science which deals with the study about the universe and the celestial objects is called astronomy. यानी यूनिवर्स के बारे में साइंस की ऐसी ब्रांच जिसमें यूनिवर्स के बारे में स्टडी की जाती है और जितने भी सेलेसियस ऑब्जेक्ट्स हैं, द स्टडी अबाउट ऑल द प्लैनेट्स, ऑल अबाउट द मेटेरॉइड्स, about the natural satellites, about the sun, about the moon, about the earth or different planets. So this all things we studied in a particular branch of science that is called what astronomy. So please note down this definition. Astronomy means it is the branch of science which deals with about the study of water, the universe and the celestial object is called water astronomy. Okay, so note down this one. Now next we discuss about the distance in the universe. As I told you that the universe is a very vast space is there. It's एक unlimited space है. So this distance is too much is there, है ना? So how we can measure this distance? So have you wondered how far the sun is from Earth? Means we can surprise that कि हाँ ना सूर्य हमारे से कितना दूर है. The sun is how much far away from Earth? The billions of किलोमीटर इज देयर. और इससे भी बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टार्स है जो सन से भी काफ़ी दूर है. तो मीन्स ये जो डिस्टेंस है ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. हाँ, इट्स टू मच यूज और वेरी फार डिस्टेंस इज देयर. सो हाउ वी कैन मेजर दिस डिस्टेंस? बिकॉज एज वी नो डैट दिस यूनिवर्स इज ए वास्ट स्पेस, वी कांट मेजर एक्यूरेटली दिस थिंग्स. So you have this numerous stars looking like the tiny dots. Do you know how the big and how far they are from us? कि हमें पता है, हम मेज़र नहीं कर सकते कि वो हमारे से कितने दूर है ना, और कितने उसकी साइज़ है. व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ इट्स लुक लाइक वेरी टाइनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स, है ना, स्पार्किंग और ट्विंकलिंग स्मॉल ऑब्जेक्ट इन द स्काई, नाइट स्काई. सो दिस आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम अर्थ. मीन्स काफ़ी दूर है हमारे से, इसलिए उनकी साइज जो है काफ़ी छोटी सी एक टाइनी डॉट्स या पॉइंट की तरह हमें दिखते हैं. द सन इज अवर नियरेस्ट स्टार एंड इट इज द डिस्टेंस अबाउट द दिस 15 and then this kilometer 70 is there. So this is the distance of a sun from us. Means the distance of sun from us. हमारे से अर्थ से जो सन का जो डिस्टेंस है that is this one. This much too much used distance is there. And इससे भी ये तो क्या है, दिस इज हमारे जो नियरेस्ट स्टार है. दिस सन इज आवर नियरेस्ट स्टार टू द अर्थ. अर्थ के सबसे पास का जो स्टार है. अब दूसरे स्टार जो है वो इससे भी काफ़ी दूर है, मीन्स काफ़ी फार डिस्टेंस पे है. टू मच यूज डिस्टेंस इज देयर. एंड द सिमिलरली दिस प्रोक्सिमा सेंचुरी द नेक्स्ट नियरेस्ट स्टार. As such a large distances are difficult to express in the meters or the kilometers. So this इसके बाद में proxima centuries आता है. This one another stars that nearest to the earth from this sun. Sun के बाद जो next है वो that है proxima century. That is called what? Proxima century. So now this is the distance of the Proxima Centauri from the Earth. Okay. So means इतना number कितना उसके बीच जीरो, इस number को we cannot express conveniently in a meter and kilometer. So for this we are using another unit that is called what? Light year. So expressing this such a huge distance we are use simply the light year. So now this light year is this light year is not about the amount of the light in whole year. No, it's a unit for measuring the distance in the universe or between the planets or in a solar system. क्योंकि इतना ह्यूज जो डिस्टेंस है वो नॉर्मली वी आर नॉट मेजर इन द मीटर एंड किलोमीटर. So that should be expressed in another unit that is called what a light year. So light year means what? The distance traveled by a light in a 1 year. Okay, the distance traveled by the light in a 1 year, that is called the light year. And we know that this one light year this one light year is equal to the 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. That is 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. This is the distance in the one light year. Okay, means एक light year के अंदर जो है कितना किलोमीटर होता है? That is 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12. Means 12 zero is there. Okay, so this too much distance and this distance is called what? One light year. Okay, so light year is what? This light year is a unit for measuring the distance in a universe or in a solar system. So such a large distance this is expressed in the light year. This light year is, or maybe in a astronomical units. There are the two different units which are expressed in this celestial distance. या तो फिर astronomical unit होता है, and other than this one we have this light year or this astronomical unit. Okay, this is also unit for measuring distance in a universe. Okay, so this astronomical unit is a unit which is used to measure the distance in the universe, and another unit we have this light year. So now we more discuss about the light year. So light year means what? A light year is defined as the distance traveled by a light in a 1 year. How can we define this light year? This light year can be defined as the distance traveled by light in a 1 year. Okay, means how much is the distance traveled by a light in a 1 year, that is called a light year. And this is the unit which is used to measure the distance in a in a universe. So we know that the speed of light, if we know, everybody you know that you are familiar with the speed of the light. The speed of light is what? The 3 lakh kilometer per second. Speed of light, that is 3 lakh kilometer per second. मीन्स जो लाइट का जो स्पीड है वो 1 सेकेंड में कितना है? 1 सेकेंड में 3 लाख किलोमीटर. मीन्स लाइट the speed of light is what? 3 lakh kilometer per second. So from this we can calculate the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. So this 1 light year is equal to, simply this is equal to this 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. Okay, simply means we can say that this is equal to the speed of light in 1 year into time. Speed of light in 1 year into time. So means this is 3 lakh this kilometer per second into time. Time is how much a time in a 1 year? 1 year is 365 days. Okay, and in 1 day there are the 24 hours is there. पूरे year में जो है number of days is 365, and then in 1 day how many hours is there? 24 hours, and in 1 hours there are the 60 Minute is there and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. These are the seconds. So finally, we have calculated this distance. That's became what? If you multiply this one, you can get this 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. Finally, so we can say that in 1 year, in a 1 light year, this 1 light year is equal to the 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. So this astronomical another unit for this that is what the astronomical unit. अदर जो दूसरा जो यूनिट है जो सेलेसियल डिस्टेंस को अपन मेजर करते हैं यूनिवर्स में डिस्टेंस को मेजर करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड व्हाट एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट्स. द एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट्स और शॉर्ट इन शॉर्ट दिस इज आल्सो नोन एज व्हाट AU means astronomical unit is roughly the distance from the earth to the sun, that is equal to, if you see this one this astronomical unit, one astronomical unit that equal to what, that is equal to the 150 million kilometer means one astronomical unit is equal to how much, 150 million किलोमीटर. यानी एक एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल यूनिट में कितना होता है 150 million kilometer. So now this is all about the distance which we measured in a light year or astronomical unit. क्योंकि जो यूनिवर्स का जो डिस्टेंस है वो ऑब्जेक्ट एक दूसरे से 1, 2 या 5 या 100 किलोमीटर पे दूरी पे नहीं होते, लाखों करोड़ों किलोमीटर दूरी होते हैं. तो वो दैट डिस्टेंस इज कैन नॉट बी मेजर्ड, इज नॉट easy or convenient to express in the meter and kilometer. So that's why we use water, we use the another unit, and that is there are the two different units which we use to measure this distance. One is the light year. 1 light year means the distance traveled by light in a 1 year, means the speed of light into time. Okay, and that is equal to what, 1 light year equal to 9.5 into 10 raised to power 12 kilometer. And second unit we have astronomical unit which is commonly known as AU. One astronomical unit is equal to what, 150 million kilometer. Now next we are going to discuss about the stars. About the stars. So as we know that the sun is also a what, the medium size स्टार. कि सन जो है, सन भी क्या है, सन इज ऑल्सो ए मीडियम साइज स्टार, वो भी एक मीडियम साइज का स्टार्स है, इससे भी काफ़ी बड़े बड़े स्टार्स है. सो नाउ वी आर discuss more about the stars. Now you see in your textbook page 206 the topic stars. Have you observed stars in the night sky? How many stars are there? We can't able to what, calculate, or we can't able discount the number of stars. ओके, क्योंकि इनका भी जो नंबर है वो काफ़ी लाखों करोड़ों अरबों में ना, टू मच. सो इन फैक्ट देयर आर द काउंटलेस स्टार्स इन द यूनिवर्स. स्टार्स आर luminous celestial body, and these stars are known as what, luminous celestial body, luminous object. These are known as what, luminous objects. Luminous object means the object which have its own light, which have what, this have its own light. So stars have its own light. कि जो स्टार्स होते हैं, स्टार्स में क्या होता है, स्टार्स में अपने खुद की लाइट होती है, दे रिलीज दिस ओन लाइट. So these stars are known as what, luminous object. So there are the two different types of object, luminous object and non-luminous object. Luminous object means the object which release or which have its own light or radiate its own light, that is called a luminous object. And non-luminous object means which do not have its own light, just like you see moon. So moon is the example of a non-luminous object. So stars are the luminous celestial bodies. They emit light of their own. Stars are mainly made up of what, hydrogen gas. Okay, and these stars are made up of mostly this hydrogen gas and dust. कि मोस्टली जो stars, these are stars are formed by the hydrogen gas and the dust particles. Dust particles और hydrogen gas जब highly condensed हो जाते हैं तो they forms what? Stars. So, which undergoes the complex nuclear reactions to produce the tremendous amount of the heat and light, or the source of light or heat in the sun is what? Hydrogen. This hydrogen undergoes the numerous nuclear reaction. Nuclear reaction takes place with this hydrogen and hydrogen fuse together and form water helium. They form water helium, and this process is called water the fusion. The process is called water fusion. So there are the two different forms, fusion and fusion. ओके, दो प्रोसेस होती है फ्यूजन एंड फिजन. तो इन द कोर ऑफ स्टार का जो कोर होता है, सेंटर होता है, उसमें क्या होता है? हाइड्रोजन न्यूक्लियाई जो आपस में फ्यूज कर जाती है, और फ्यूज करने के बाद में दे फॉर्म वाटर हीलियम, एंड दिस इज द सोर्स फॉर वाटर एनर्जी और हीट फॉर द स्टार और सन में भी जो सन का जो सेंटर है, सन के कोर में भी दिस रिएक्शन इज टेकन प्लेस देयर, एंड दिस इज द सोर्स फॉर वाटर for the radiations or the heat for the or light for the sun. So by this it's released the tremendous amount of heat and light. Sun is the nearest star to us and it is the source of energy on the earth. And we know that sun is also a medium sized star and it is the nearest star to the earth, and ultimately it's the primary source for energy for the दिस होल यूनिवर्स. ये पूरे यूनिवर्स के लिए या फिर अर्थ सरफेस पे जितने भी ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं उन सब के लिए, आइदर इट इज प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स, सब के लिए जो अल्टीमेटली जो प्राइमरी सोर्स है लाइट या एनर्जी का, दैट इज वाटर सन. सो वी कैन से दैट सन इज द प्राइमरी सोर्स फॉर वाटर एनर्जी. It is a medium-sized star. There are the stars bigger than the sun, and there are the stars smaller than the sun. Means this sun is considered as a small, you can say that a medium-sized stars. There are the many stars that are smaller than the sun, and many more stars that is more use, or you can say that large than a sun. यानी बहुत सारे ऐसे स्टार्स हैं जो सन से भी काफ़ी बड़े बड़े हैं, बट दे लुक लाइक वेरी स्मॉल टाइनी डॉट बिकॉज दे आर वेरी फार अवे फ्रॉम us. So the sun and the planets all together are known as what? Solar system. So all the planets and sun formed water, they form a family which is known as what? Solar system. This solar system is consists of water, sun and planets. So both this sun and planets forms what? Solar system. यानी sun और different planets से मिलकर एक family बनाते हैं, and that family is known as what? Solar system. We will study in the detail about the solar system in the forthcoming section. ठीक है, so next we discuss more about the solar system, about the sun, and about all the different 8 planets in the detail and their properties and their characteristics. Before to start that topic, we discuss about the galaxy. Means what is the galaxy? So galaxy means is the group of million stars. The group of million stars is known as what? Galaxy. And this our earth is also a part of a galaxy that is called what? Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so stars are the group in the sky. You can see that stars में हम देखते हैं तो stars sky में we can see the group of stars. So that group of stars is called what? A galaxy. Each groups of the stars is referred as a galaxy. तो ये जो group है stars का, that is called what? Galaxy. Each galaxy usually has a billions of the stars. और प्रत्येक galaxy में जो billions of stars is there. Galaxies usually have the three shapes, and there are the three different shapes of the galaxy. Either it is spiral shape, elliptical shape, or a irregular shape. means galaxy have the different shapes. Galaxy, so galaxy means what? A group of stars, group of stars, and it have the three different shapes. Okay, spiral shape, elliptical, and the third one is irregular. Okay, so these are the three different shape of a galaxy. Okay, so galaxy means what? The group of millions of stars, and it has the three different shape: spiral shape, elliptical और irregular. यानी ये spiral shape में हो सकता है, elliptical form में हो सकता है, या फिर irregular shape में हो सकता है. Okay, so the galaxy in which the sun, our earth or the planets of our solar systems are present, that is called the Milky Way. और हमारे जो पूरा जो हमारा सोलर सिस्टम है, मीन्स this sun, all the suns, okay, means sun, our earth, and other planets. This all are the part of water. They all are the part of a galaxy, which is known as water, Milky Way galaxy. Milky Way galaxy. Okay, means जो सन है, हमारा अर्थ है और प्लैनेट्स है, वो सभी जो है किसका पार्ट है? दिस ऑल आर द पार्ट ऑफ दिस मिल्की वे गैलेक्सी. Okay, so now for today I think it's enough. So in today's class we discuss about the universe, then we discuss about the distance in universe, how we can measure the distance in the universe. For that we use the two unit. One is called light year. Light year means the distance traveled by light in 1 year, and 1 light year is equal to what? 9.5 into 10 to power 12 kilometer. And another unit that is called what? Astronomical unit, generally which is represented by the AU. So one astronomical unit is equal to what? 150 million kilometer. And then we discuss about what? About astronomy, and then about this galaxy. Okay, so in upcoming class we discuss about the Milky Way, about the different constellations, about the Ursa Major, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, about the polar star, we also discuss about the Hunter, Orions, Cassiopeians. Means different types of pattern should be formed, maybe formed in a sky during the winter season or a summer season in a different part of this sky, is maybe in the northern hemisphere or maybe in the southern hemisphere. So that we will later discuss in a upcoming class. For today, that's enough. You note down the important things from here by taking the screenshot or by pausing the video. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you understood better all these things. And please, my suggestion is that you just everybody go through the textbook, so you can understand very well or better than this. Okay, क्योंकि टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ना जरूरी है. Okay, so for today, thank you. Have a nice day.